Havasu City business owners, we've got exciting news just for you. Introducing our brand new online business license renewal portal. Renewing your business license is now easier than ever. Let's walk through the steps so you can get started today. First, visit our website at www.lhcaz.gov/renew and click the link that says Renew Business License. This will take you to our new portal. Click on Business Licenses and Special Events. If you already have an account, you can click the Sign In button. If you're new to the site, click Create New Account. On the next screen, fill out your info, create a username and password, and click Register. Check your email for a verification link. Make sure to check it to activate your account. Don't see it? Check your junk or spam folder just in case. After verifying, sign into the portal and head over to My Profile. From there, click on the Credentials tab. Next, you will need to click either Submit Credentials or Submit Another Credential. Now select Business Owner. Enter your record number from your renewal notice and verify the details. Check the box, hit Register, and refresh the screen. Once refreshed, you'll see a task under My Records. Click it, select Renew/Close License, and complete the activity screen. Don't forget to add any attachments if needed. Finally, click Submit, and the Pay button will appear. Head to the payment screen, follow the prompts, and you're all set. And that's it. Easy, fast, and hassle-free. Renew your business license today at www.lhcaz.gov/renew. Thanks for being part of what makes Lake Havasu City shine. If you need help, reach out to us. There may be a delay in response due to high call and email volume, but we're here to support you every step of the way.